wala na pong debate about sa convening.
On our side, wala. On the majority side, wala. Hindi ko alam sa minority. Diba? I'd like to consult them, but I'll only see them on Monday. Medyo busy sila ngayon na trinatry kausapin yung mga membro namin na sumali ulit sa kanila.
So may QNFs na naman, sir, against you naman ngayon, sir?
Suggest, ano naman, expected naman yun.
Who told you that, sir? From the majority?
Oo. There's,
Kinakausap nila, sir?
may invitations to talk, may pananakot, but dati na silang takot eh. So,
But your 13 is solid. But your 13 is solid.
you're always solid until you're not. But I believe in the 13, I believe in our cause.
Pero sir, ilan yung kinakausap, sir? Ilan yung kinakausap?
Hindi ko pa nakakausap lahat kasi nag-iaya nga na mag-meeting ngayon. Sabi ko, magtrabaho muna tayo, magtawagan na lang tayo. Because nga, you know, that's the nature of, di ba dati kasi ano eh, you have 3 or 4 major newspapers, maybe 4 major news networks, then maraming tabloid, then maraming radyo. Ngayon kasi with SOCMED, anyone can say anything. Di ba? And anyone can interpret anything that way. But yun nga ang challenge ko ngayon. Di ba? Trabaho or mamulitika. Di ba? So my only choice is to do the work, then be completely honest with you. So in an hour, I will be completely honest what happened kay Senator Bato and where the investigation with the PNP is. But uulitin ko lang ha, PNP, AFP, lahat, NBI, hindi tayo magkakalaban, we're one government. Di ba? But we have to respect the judiciary, the same manner the executive, but also respect the legislative department. So in the same manner, kung may fake news, I expect them to address that immediately.